Hi class, good day! So for today, let's continue differentiation rules. Dito na tayo kay quotient rule. We have already discussed the 6 rules, alright? So, I'll put the link below para makuha ninyo or masundan nyo yung ibang mga rules na ito, alright? So, ano ba si quotient rule or paano natin gamitin yung quotient rule? But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next lesson. So if f of x and g of x are both differentiable functions of x with g of x is equal to 0, then d dx f of x over g of x is equal to g of x times d dx f of x minus f of x times d dx g of x all over squared of g of x. Ang ibig sabihin nun? So, ibig sabihin nun, si denominator times daw sa derivative ng numerator. Si g of x is our denominator here. So, yung pagkuha ng derivative niya, si denominator daw, i-times natin sa derivative ng ating numerator. Then, minus natin sa numerator times the derivative ng ating denominator all over the square of our denominator. This means that the derivative of the quotient of two differentiable functions is equal to the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, all divided by the square of the original denominator. So for example, we have f of x is equal to x plus 1 all over x minus 1. So our numerator is x plus 1 and our denominator x is x minus 1. Gagawin natin para makuha yung derivative na ito sa quotient rule, sa denominator which is x minus 1, i-times natin sa derivative ng ating numerator. Alright, so we have x minus 1 from the denominator times derivative ng ating numerator, x plus 1. Then, minus, yan, minus natin sa numerator na x plus 1 times the derivative ng ating denominator na x minus 1 all over the square ng ating denominator which is x minus 1. Okay, so kukunin na natin yung derivative na to. So, we have x minus 1 is in numerator as a denominator, then times natin yung derivative na ating numerator is 1 only because this is constant, so 0 yan. So 1, this is identity rule, so yung x natin is 1 lang, plus 0 is 1. Okay? So, minus, ito yung ating numerator times derivative na ating denominator which is 1 lang din. Ito siya, identity rule, kaya siya 1 lang, and this is constant rule, 0. Okay, then, multiply natin x times 1, that is x, negative 1 times 1, that is negative 1. So, x times 1, that is x, and 1 times 1, that is 1. Okay? Track na natin yung dalawang ito. So, x minus x, that is 0, and negative 2 minus positive 1, that is negative 2. Subtraction of integers. Negative 2 all over the square of x minus 1. So, therefore, yung derivative ng functions na ito ay negative 2 all over the square of x minus 1. Right? So, another example, we have f of x is equal to x squared plus 3 all over 5x plus 4. So, sa x squared plus 3 ang numerator and 5x plus 4 the denominator. So, gagawin natin si denominator times natin sa derivative ng x squared plus 3 minus numerator times the derivative ng 5x plus 4 all over 5x plus 4 squared. So, yung derivative ng ating x squared plus 3 is 2x. Okay? So, this is yung 5x na ito, kung saan galing, ito yung ating denominator. Times natin kay 2x. Yung 2x na yan, siya yung derivative nito. Okay? So, this is power rule. Baba natin si 2 here. Then, ma-minus natin ito ng 1, kaya siya 2x. Okay? So, since this is constant, so 0 siya. Kaya 2x lang siya. So, ganun din ito, sa x squared ang galing sa numerator and this one is the derivative ng ating denominator. Right? So, multiply na natin ito and multiply natin ito. So, 5x times 2x, that is 10x squared. So, ito 5x times 2x, that is 10x squared. 4x times 2x, that is 8x. Alright, then x squared times 5, that is 5x squared. 3 times 5, that is 15, all over squared of 5x plus 4. So, subtract na natin 10x squared minus 5x squared, that is 5x squared. Then, 8x, copy nyo lang siya because wala namang 8x dito or walang may variable na x here. So, copy lang natin sa 8x and copy 15 or all over the squared of 5x plus 4. So, therefore, yung derivative ng functions na ito is prime of x is equal to 5x squared plus 8x plus 15 all over the square of 5x plus 4. Right? So again, sa quotient rule, the derivative of the quotient of two differentiable functions is equal to the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the square of the original denominator. Alright? So that's all for today, class. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next lesson. Thank you!